Now that we have imported our item into the system, we have built we have created an assembly already. You can see when you come on the composite items, you can see assembly item. We already have an item as assembly now. So this is an assembly item. So if you have multiple items, you can create them and you can also upload them too. You can also import the composite items. Just export sample of what you have, use that to format your data and bring it back into the system. It's as easy and good as that, right? Now, how do we produce this item that we have created? To produce this item, you just come to inventory. Under the inventory, you can see assemblies. Click on assemblies, then you have create assembly. What we have done is to explain what makes up a product. Now we need to produce that product now. You cannot come here and select what do you want to produce. You want to produce executive chair MD, right? So when you click on this, assembly number 1, production 1, 001, fine. Put your description here. How many are we producing? You can say we want to produce 10. It says that you can assemble 0 from this unit. Why? Because we don't have some items. We need 30 of this. We need 30 of this. But currently we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is what the system is telling us. We have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So when some items are missing, we will not be able to produce until we, although if we produce, it means it's going to throw our item into negative. And I think we have enabled, we have created non-negative something there. There are the locations. Serial number value cannot be empty. Okay. Do we make serial number compulsory? Serial number, serial number 0001. Generate. Save. So yeah, each of them can have its own serial number. Location is Lagos. Okay. But we cannot produce due to that, or we get negative balance for the items. So you can see it. Following items are out of stock. Are we sure you want to do that? If you produce, are you sure that? It's asking you. If that is possible, you click on continue. Right. The serial number cannot be left empty. Please input the valid serial number. Okay, but before we do that, what we're going to do now is let's quickly import some items into the books. Let's import some items into the books so that we have some items here. Then we can now see how we use that. Right. So we'll continue that in the next video.